Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha juice. First, you will brew 1 gallon of sweet tea using your preferred black or green tea and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Allow this sweet tea to cool completely to room temperature. Once cool, carefully add your SCOBY and 1 to 2 cups of starter liquid to the tea. Cover the container with a breathable cloth and let it ferment for about 7 to 10 days. After the initial fermentation, it is time to prepare for the second stage. Gently remove the SCOBY and set aside 1 to 2 cups of the fermented liquid to use as starter for your next batch. Strain the remaining fermented kombucha through a fine mesh sieve to remove any unwanted yeast strands or sediment. Now, gather your desired fruit or juice to infuse your kombucha with delicious flavors. Now for the exciting part, flavoring your kombucha juice. For every 16 ounces of kombucha, add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of your chosen fruit juice or small fruit pieces. Carefully pour the flavored kombucha into airtight bottles, ensuring you leave approximately 1 inch of headspace at the top. Seal the bottles tightly and let them sit at room temperature for an additional 2 to 5 days to develop carbonation and deeper flavor. To check for carbonation, gently open 1 bottle after about 2 days to release any built-up pressure, also known as burping. Once your kombucha juice has reached your desired level of fizziness and flavor, transfer all the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will effectively halt the fermentation process and preserve the delicious taste. Now, your homemade, fizzy, and flavorful kombucha juice is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.